Picture this. You're 5,000 miles away from home, enjoying the trip of a lifetime, when suddenly, your wallet gets stolen, your phone battery dies, and a protest erupts just blocks from where you're staying. What would you do? According to the U.S. State Department, more than 10,000 passports are lost or stolen overseas each year. And studies show that 1 in 4 travelers will require some form of medical attention during their trip. In today's video, I'm breaking down exactly how to prepare for an emergency while traveling. Welcome to Terrific World. Are you a fan of our videos? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching. Here's a practical and easy-to-follow checklist to help you prepare for almost any travel emergency. Buy comprehensive travel insurance. The first step is to get reliable travel insurance. Look for a policy that covers medical emergencies, trip cancellations, lost baggage, and emergency evacuations. We recommend providers like Safety Wing or World Nomads for flexible and affordable international coverage. For example, if you break your leg while hiking in Thailand, your medical bill could easily exceed $6,000. But with the right insurance, you might pay nothing out of pocket. Pro tip: choose a plan that includes coverage for natural disasters and pandemic-related emergencies. Back up important documents. Scan and upload copies of your essential documents to cloud storage like Google Drive or Dropbox. This includes your passport, visa or visas, insurance documents, driver's license or ID, your travel itinerary, and boarding passes. Also, print 2 copies. Keep one in your carry-on and store another in your hotel safe. Create an emergency contact list. Prepare a small document with key contact information, including emergency contacts back home, your country's embassy or consulate in the destination country, local emergency numbers like 112 in Europe or 911 in the US, and your insurance provider's emergency hotline. Store this on your phone and as a physical printout in your wallet or travel pouch. You can also use the TripWhistle app to access local emergency numbers offline. Plan for communication blackouts. If you lose access to the internet or phone service, you need to be ready. Download offline Google Maps for each city you're visiting, offline Google Translate packs in the local language, a reliable portable power bank to keep devices charged, and a local SIM card or eSIM using platforms like Airalo. Bonus tip: keep an old backup phone charged in your day bag just in case your main device is lost or stolen. Pack a travel medical kit. Bring a small, customized first aid kit that includes prescription medications in their original packaging, pain relievers, antihistamines, and anti-diarrheal pills. Make sure to also pack antiseptic wipes, adhesive bandages, and a thermometer. Don't forget to bring copies of your medical prescriptions and an emergency contact card translated into the local language. For example, in countries like Japan, it can be difficult to get even basic medications like ibuprofen without a local prescription. Secure your finances. Financial emergencies are common when traveling, so diversify how you access your money. Here's what you should do. Notify your bank of your travel dates to avoid card blocks. Carry multiple payment options, debit cards, credit cards, and prepaid travel cards. Keep some emergency cash in both local currency and a widely accepted currency like US dollars or euros. Use services like Wise for safe and affordable international money transfers. Pro tip: hide an emergency $100 bill in a secret spot like a shoe sole, belt pouch, or hidden pocket. Know where your embassy is. Before you go, look up your nearest embassy or consulate in each country you plan to visit. If you're a US citizen, register your trip with the STEP program to receive security updates and let the embassy know where you are in case of emergency. Save their contact details and offline map locations on your phone. Plan for natural disasters and unrest. Research whether your destination is prone to earthquakes, floods, hurricanes, or civil unrest. Subscribe to alerts from reliable sources like the U.S. State Department's travel advisories. Learn basic evacuation routes from your hotel and write down key phrases like, "Help me, hospital," or "I need the police" in the local language. For example, in 2017, Mount Agung erupted in Bali, stranding thousands of tourists. Those who had an evacuation plan left safely within 24 hours. Pack a compact emergency pouch in your carry-on with basic medications, a copy of your insurance card, emergency cash, USB backup with documents, local SIM card or eSIM, small flashlight, emergency whistle. Make sure this kit is always in your carry-on, never in checked luggage. Have you ever experienced a travel emergency? Share your story and I might feature it in our next video. Like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Terrific World for more smart travel tips and faceless travel guides. Until next time, travel smart, stay safe, and keep exploring.